In this video, we're going to talk about Promethean Planet. Now, if you're not fortunate enough to have a Promethean board or an interactive whiteboard in your classroom, that's okay. If you're wanting to bring some technology into your classroom, I definitely recommend you start with Promethean Planet, because Promethean Planet gives you access to their Active Software Inspire program. Now, granted, you may not have an interactive whiteboard, but you can still demonstrate all the interactivity on the projected screen that you may have in your classroom. To get started, you'll need to download the software. And once you've downloaded software, you'll need to choose your language pack. And notice here that it gives you the operating systems that you can choose from. Now, if you're using a Mac, of course you want to download with a Mac or Windows or Linux, etc., etc. Also notice that you have something called Resource Pack. I definitely encourage you to install the Resource Pack because it gives you access to free clip art and backgrounds and Flash-based modules that you can use. Now, once you've got Active Inspire installed and up and running, then I encourage you to go over to the Resources page. Resources gives you access to flip charts. That's what Promethean calls their programs. These flip charts are separated by grade level and content area, and you can download these flip charts for free. These flip charts are an easy way to get started, and the neat thing about the flip charts is that they're often aligned closely to the age range and the subject area that you're working with. Now, I'll tell you, when you're working with these flip charts, you're going to notice that either they're going to be too easy or too complex for your students. But as a teacher, you'll have to modify it and work through it, which is something we do all the time. So, as you can see right here, I just clicked on a random selection here. This one's called Open House, and this is a flip chart that they've created for Open House and Parental Information Night. So this is something that you can easily download and use in your classroom, and you can modify it to fit your needs.